usually used with the laulau. It's usually grown in our backyard. The Hawaiians, this tea leaf, very important to them. It usually drives away evil spirits. This is the Taro plant, and in Hawaiian word is called kalo, and this is a main staple of the Hawaiians, and this is the one used for the laulau. So here in Kauai, 73% of the taro production for the state of Hawaii comes from Kauai. This is Hanalei Valley, where the taro are mostly cultivated all year round along the river. The Polynesians introduced the taro to the island when they first arrived between 300 and 800 AD. For big parties, we usually buy the pork butt from Costco, and this would cost more or less $30. The pork butt cut into chunks around 1 inch, and then it would make up to 30 to 40 laulau. Same as the pork fat, cut into chunks also around 1 inch. Toast the pork chunks and the pork fat with Hawaiian salt in a pan or large bowl. Some people, they would add MSG for umami taste. Wow, making laulau.
For one.
Okay.
And then we're gonna go about 2 pieces of
The lean meat.
the lean meat and then 1 fat. Then we'll swap it together.
What you had put in the meat? Just the Hawaiian salt, yeah?
Hawaiian salt.
Okay, Hawaiian
It's the
salt.
red salt. Oh, no, it's the white. Whatever white.
Okay, and
or
then
red,
you're
whatever you
wrapping
have.
it.
Yeah, just like that. And then you use the shiny part. Is it the shiny part? Or like this part? Yeah, like that. Okay. And then wrap it again. So make it tight. Wow. Just tight.
Your first time to make.
Yes. This is my second though.
Okay, let me see the expert. There you go.
Yes.
Tea leaf.
Is it still too small? You can put.
Naimas ah, naimas. Okay.
So the tea is supposed to, the tea is supposed to be still, but no.
Foil.
There.
Put on the side the foil. The foil is already long time, that's why. You know, you cannot use all everything. Ah. Okay, one wrap. Okay, just make the laulau already. Laulau and the laulau.
Too fast if it's small. Sure.
Yan pala ang sinasabing laulau nung mga bata tayo na sinasabi natin mga laulau and the laulau, yeah?
Oh, bakit kaya? Tawag din si Laulau.
Hawaiian word. I don't know also the how.
Oh my gosh, it looks so nice now. Square.
Yes. Finally.
Do we have enough tea?
Yeah, plenty. Hindi, marami pa sa baba. Kukuha sa maklin sandali lang.
Oh my gosh, super windy. We don't have this window.
Okay, Janet making laulau. It's
It's gonna be 4. Yeah.
or 5.
Then, how many minutes? 3?
They said that.
And then, wrap it like this. Ganito?
Yeah.
Okay, ang
Yeah.
The lips, sorry. The lips is okay. Replay. That's how. Okay. So, baliktad. Baliktad tanong. There you go.
Gotta use the
And
not
that's
so
my-
shiny part. Okie dokie.
Okay.
Yay! Put in the steamer. And now we're steaming it for around 6 to 8 hours. We have to check if the laulau is cooked. So I took out one. Usually laulau, they tie it with a string after putting the tea leaf. But with this, because I think when you serve it in a party, it's better to wrap it in foil. So we wrap it in foil. So there. The first thing you can see is the tea leaf. So the tea leaf, this one is just used to wrap. It's not to be eaten. So take out the leaf. This is the tea leaf now. Basically, it's just used for wrapping, as I said. Okay. There you go. There. This one, that is the luau leaf. This luau leaf, or we call it the taro leaf, it comes from the taro plant, yeah? So it easily breaks now. So this one is cooked already. Then you just have to open it. And the meat, this meat is made from the pork butt. And then we added some fats. And it's sprinkled with Hawaiian salt. So it easily breaks off. So this is good. Okay. Usually this taro is eaten with poi or rice or with chili water. And for me, sometimes I only eat the tea leaf. This taro leaf. This taro leaf is very nutritious, and it's full of vitamins and minerals and antioxidants. It is usually eaten with poi or the Hawaiian chili water. The laulau is also available from takeout restaurants as a plate lunch. It comes along with other Hawaiian foods such as the pork kalua, chicken long rice, poi, the lomi lomi salmon, or the dessert they call it haupia. Thanks for cooking and eating with us. Please subscribe and like our channel.